Hello, David Bradley from the Box Room here. Very quick video. If you have, or you recently acquired, a Commodore 128, you have a Commodore 128 and a monitor and some sort of disk drive together, and you're like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Well, the first thing, if you hook it all up together, you think it's all working and happy, and it comes up like this, want to see what's on a disk? Type in the word catalog, C-A-T-A-L-O-G, and press return. And it should, if it's working, come up and show you what's on the disk. The other thing you can do, if you are so inclined, if you don't like catalog, you can try directory, just as it is. D-I-R-E-C-T-O-R-Y, directory. And it will read what's on it. If, this is assuming you've hooked everything up, this is not a thing on how to hook things up. You got it hooked up, you're sitting there going, I got a disk, what do I do? The other thing, on the 64 way of doing things, if you are so inclined, you would type in load, load. I'll do it exactly as you would do it. L-O-A-D, shift, quote, which is above the 2. 4, still holding down the shift key to get the $sign. Still holding down the shift, quote, and then comma, and 8. And it will actually load the directory into memory. This is all fine and well and good. It can be handy if you want to do things with it. If you have a program in memory when you do this, the program will be gone. So don't do this. But if you have a 128, catalog, and it will just display it. It will not harm what you're working on. So, that's all I have to say about that. Thanks for visiting the box room. Bye for now.